Hi. So in this video, I'm going to explain what is the IBM installation manager and how we can do the installation of the IBM installation manager and what type of ways to install IBM installation manager. So let's start. So let's first talk about installation manager, right? IBM installation manager. So what is the use of installation manager, right? So using installation manager, we can install Websphere product. So what are the product under Websphere? So Websphere application server since 8.0, okay. So till version 7, uh, there is no IBM installation manager, right? After Websphere 8.0, IBM utility came, and so using that we install and Websphere Message Queue, right? Websphere portal server, Websphere Commerc server, right? So and etc, right? So we can install all multiple product from this IBM installation manager utility. Type of installation: GUI, silent, command line, console mode, right? So these ways we can do the installation, right? And we can also do install, right? We can upgrade, uninstall, rollback, right? So all operation we can perform from IBM installation manager. So let me show you in my system. So I have already downloaded. So this is the package installation manager. So let me open it into terminal. So this is the agent.installer Linux GTEC Linux version. Okay. So let me unzip it. Okay. So these are the files inside this, right? So for GUI, like we have this install and userinst utility and group this groupinst, right? This is for command line mode, command line. This is used for the silent install. So let me again. So for GUI install, so this can be moved through root user, and we have user inst that can be non-root user, group user. So if suppose in this group we have 5 user, so any one user can do the installation, and in future any one user from that group can do the maintenance. So let me now first try with the root. Okay, let me check. Okay, so I'm already with the root user, so let me invoke this install. So you can see it is now invoked. So it is loading, right? So and let me cancel it. So let's suppose switch me with the user test. Okay, and now let me invoke this install. So see, it is not getting invoked, right? So let me install it from root only. So let me exit from first. Now I'm with the root. Now again let me exit install. So after this installation I will show you guys how we can do the installation with the non-root user. Next, accept license. This is the default installation directory, or based on our requirement we can customize this directory. So now I'm giving it as default. Next, these are the language. This is the total download size, total installation size. So it will need this much of the size. Let's click install. So now its installation has been completed. Now it is saying click restart installation manager to launch the new installation manager and to start installation of other package. Means installation has been done for the IIM, and now what we can do to restart it, right? So we can see view log file. So see here we can see the installation manager's log file, right, where IBM install manager logs, and this is the log file, right? So if in case we face any problem, so there we can see the log. Let me close it, and now let me launch it again, restart installation manager. So now see, it is asking for install, update, modify, rollback, uninstall. So all option right now came. So if I click into install, so installation manager cannot find any package to install, right? Because we have not configured any repository with this installation manager. That's why it is not showing any installation package. So let me cancel it. Next video I will show how we can bind the repository and how we can do the installation manager. And thank you for so much. And next video uh, we will show how we can do the installation of the Websphere package. Bye.